Hello students, let us start with today's topic of Python. Today I am going to discuss about how to convert decimal number into binary, octal or hexadecimal. The program is simple. It's not as per C language or C++ language. Input, enter any integer value, y is equal to x. Suppose I make duplicate copy of x in y and z. Print, suppose I have to convert the number into binary number. I can write here bin x, it's simple. Enter any integer value. Suppose I write 14. It's a binary number. The initialization is 0b. It's a starting point, means the number is binary. But you can eliminate this value also by writing dot replace and double quote 0b into empty. Now execute. Suppose I write 14 here. Now it's okay. Basically I am replacing 0b by empty braces, by empty bracket. Binary number is 1110. Suppose I have to convert the number into octal, then I can write octal number, and in place of binary now I can write OCT, that is octal, and then replace in place of binary octal is there, replace this value into empty. Now execute the program again write 14. The binary number is 1110 and the octal number is 16 or 16. The third value is hexadecimal number. We can write here hex and then replace the value into empty braces, then execute again. Suppose I write 14 here. 14 stands for E in hexadecimal number. These are the contents of conversion from decimal to binary, octal or hexadecimal number. Hope you understand the content of conversion from one system into another. In the next video, we will learn the reverse of this program, that's binary into decimal or octal into decimal or hexadecimal into decimal.